morning all, and I am teaching you all in the online classes of DSS. Now I am teaching you the most important chapter of grammar. What is the name of the most important chapter? The name of the most important chapter is preposition. The area of preposition is very vast, बहुत विशाल है. Prepositions tells us the position of noun or pronoun. वो हमारी अवस्था को बताता है, हम किस अवस्था में हैं, कौन सा सामान है, कौन सा व्यक्ति है, किस अवस्था में है, कहाँ है, इसके बारे में वो बताता है. तो हमें इसका we should study this chapter very carefully. So I am going to teach you something new and very important prepositions which must be improve your English. Come and look toward the blackboard and also try to understand thoroughly. Now, today I am teaching you position of time and date. Position of time and date. If we want to show the position of date and time, then we use different kinds of prepositions. Look toward the blackboard. At, on, in, by, to, till, until, during, for, since, before, often, afterwards, then, etc. These prepositions give information us about position of time and date. Position of time and date. First of all, I will study the preposition at. First of all, we will study about the uses of preposition at. अब हम देखेंगे कि preposition at का यूज हम पोजीशन ऑफ टाइम एंड डेट के रूप में कहां करते हैं. नाउ लिसन केयरफुली. एट अ टाइम, एट अ टाइम, एट नून, एट दिवाली, एट 4 o'clock, एट 5 AM, एट midnight, at first, at last, at the beginning, at the end, etc. We should these prepositions in our memory so that we can use these prepositions at a fixed place so that we can success to improve our English better. If we don't know about the uses of these prepositions, we may use wrong preposition at wrong place. If we study and keep in our memory, then we use it or these at their correct places. So need to be alert to study this chapter because this chapter is very important. I will try to this example. He is busy at present. He is busy at present. Just like I use at in our sentence, same way you should also use these prepositions in your sentence at your home also. And the next preposition is and the next preposition is in. Next preposition is in. In a period. In 1972. In May. In the morning or evening or afternoon. In winter or summer, etc. Be used in. Be used in. At a fixed place to show a period, a year, a fixed month, or in the morning, evening, afternoon, winter, summer, etc. इन सब चीजों को हम दिखाने के लिए हम किसका यूज करते हैं? बी यूज प्रीपोजिशन इन. बी यूज प्रीपोजिशन in, so that you should keep in your memory the uses of preposition in are different places. Now, and I will advise also you should prepare a sentence each and every in your sentence in a period in 1972. Just he was born in 1972. He was living in that room in May. He was walking in the morning. He was going to market in the evening. Same way, you should also use these in your sentence so that you can understand the uses of these prepositions clearly. Just he was walking in the morning. And now I will go to the next preposition, by. By is also preposition. By is also preposition. And be used by before that time or oblique that at that time. At that time. Example, by 4 o'clock or by Monday. Same. And the next preposition from. The next preposition is from. Used with to or oblique content. Used with to or till or until. Same way, from 7 a.m. to oblique till means we can use to as well as till. Each of both. From 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. or from 7 a.m. till 9 p.m. like this. Dear student, now I will tell you the uses of to, oblique, till and until. These are also prepositions. These are also prepositions. And now I will try to understand the usage of prepositions like to, till, and until. First of all, I will tell you the use of preposition till. Till means up to. Up to means जैसे कोई टाइम है और उस समय तक आपको काम करना है तक के लिए, तो आप वहां टिल का यूज कर सकते हो. टिल आप, ठीक है, तो आप वहां टिल का यूज कर सकते हो. टिल मीन्स अप टू, मीन्स दे वर्क टिल 5 PM. मतलब ये कि उन्होंने 5 बजे तक काम किया. तक के लिए, किसके लिए? तक के लिए. तो देन till means up to. They worked till 5 PM. They worked till 5 PM. Suppose that you read till 2 PM. You study till midnight. Same. And second, I will tell you the use of preposition to. And then I will tell you use the preposition of to. To is always used with from. To is always used with from. Means to the separation of time. To show the separation of time. To is always used with from. Suppose that I am taking example to show the use of to. They worked from 9 AM to 5 PM. From means से, और कैसे, मतलब 9 o'clock in the morning से 5 इवनिंग, यानी 9 बजे सुबह से लेकर के शाम 5 बजे तक. तो इसको शो करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? टू इज यूज्ड ऑलवेज. टू इज ऑलवेज यूज्ड विथ फ्रॉम. दे वर्क from 9 AM to 5 PM. And third, until. And now I will tell you about the use of preposition until. Until is not used with a negative verb. Until is not used. Until is not used with a negative verb. Until is not used with a negative verb. You will keep your memory always. Now we will try to understand the uses of preposition until. Means we waited until he came. Till means end of time. Until means end of time. ये भी बताता है कि समय का अंत का. तो यहाँ जो दिखाई दे रहा है कि मतलब उसने उस समय तक इंतजार किया जब तक वो नहीं आया. इसका मतलब वो आ गया और उसके इंतजार का समय खत्म हो गया. तो इस प्रकार के है ना पीरियड ऑफ टाइम को शो करने के लिए हम until का यूज करते हैं. We waited until he came. We waited until he came. And you should also practice these prepositions at your home with the help of your grammar book or with the help of another book. You can use in your practice, because grammar is just like mathematics. If you are doing more and more practice, means you are becoming a successful writer or sentence preparing student without any mistake, तो आपको अध्ययन करना चाहिए, आपको सेंटेंस से रिलेटेड, इन प्रीपोजिशन से रिलेटेड सेंटेंस आपको अपने घर पे बनाना चाहिए, अधिक से अधिक बनाना चाहिए। जब आप बनाएंगे, जितनी अधिक प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, क्योंकि ग्रामर इज कंपेयर्ड टू द मैथमेटिक्स, जस्ट लाइक मैथमेटिक्स इज आल्सो सब्जेक्ट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस, सेम वे ग्रामर इज आल्सो सब्जेक्ट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस, यानी प्रैक्टिस की ये विषय है, और जितना ही जो प्रैक्टिस करता है उतना ही उसका ग्रामर स्ट्रांग होता है। एंड नाउ आई विल टेल यू ड्यूरिंग नोन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, नोन पीरियड, जिस पीरियड को हम जानते हैं, ड्यूरिंग विंटर, ड्यूरिंग हॉलीडेज, ड्यूरिंग 2004, just like, and next in within, in mean at the end of time, in shows the end of time, in shows the end of time, she will return in a week, means इसका end of time क्या है? A week. In this sentence the end of time shows a week, so she will return in a week. B and it is the use of in may mean at the end of time, she will within means before that time, जैसे कोई समय आपका एक मान लीजिए कोई टाइम एक निर्धारित है और उससे पहले ही आप उस काम को पूरा कर लें, तो उस स्थिति को शो करने के लिए आप until का यूज, within का यूज करते हैं, उसको शो करने के लिए किसका यूज करते हैं? within का यूज करते हैं। तो within means before that time, within means before that time, means she will return within a week, मतलब वह एक सप्ताह के पहले ही वापस आ जाए, इसका मतलब यह हो। तो वही बात है कि within means before that time, वो उसका पीरियड ऑफ टाइम क्या है? a week है, लेकिन जो वर्क होना है वो उससे पहले होना है। तो अगर उससे पहले होने की स्थिति को हम शो करना चाहते हैं, then we use preposition within, because within shows before that time. With the help of example, I will try to illustrate. She will return within a week. Okay, students. Thanks.